In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Base44 account. Whether you've decided to move on from the platform or simply wish to manage your digital presence, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and enter Base44 into the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the official Base44 website. This part should look familiar if you've accessed your account from this browser before. You'll be taken to the home page, ready to start the process. The next step is to click on the Start Building option. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. Be sure to have your username and password at hand and complete the login process. It's important to log in so that the system recognizes your authorization to make changes to your account settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the Docs and Support section and give that a click. It's in this area that you'll be able to access resources related to support tickets. This section serves as the hub for handling any inquiries or issues you might have while using Base44. Within the Docs and Support page, you should see the option to open a new ticket. Click on this option. You might be asked to choose a category for your inquiry. In this situation, it's usually best to select a generic option like Other, since account deletion isn't commonly listed as a separate category. Now, you'll be prompted to fill out a form for your support request. In the subject line of the ticket, type Delete Account. By clearly stating your intent right from the start, you ensure that your request is prioritized accordingly. Moving to the message body of the ticket, kindly request the deletion of your account and all associated data. You can phrase this request politely, ensuring that the team understands you want a complete removal of your data. This explicit request is crucial as it highlights your desire for thorough action. After double-checking that all necessary details are filled out correctly, go ahead and click the Submit Ticket button. With that, your request is on its way to the Base44 support team, who will handle it manually. It's worth noting that Base44 may take some time to process this request, potentially up to 30 days. During this period, you should receive an email confirmation once your account has been permanently removed. Rest assured, the team is thorough in ensuring that your data is completely deleted in line with your request. And that's it. You've successfully submitted an account deletion request on Base44. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.